So we're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range for these sets of numbers. We'll find the mode first. The mode is just the number that comes up the most. So we have 2850 that comes up 2 times. That's more than anything else. So the mode would be 2850. The range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So the range then we found by doing 8550 minus 2850. So the range is 5700. The mean, or the average, we have to take the numbers and add them all up and then divide by how many numbers that are there. So if I were to count them all, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers here. So I need to take all the numbers, add them up first, and then divide by 6. So when I add the numerator up, 2850 plus 2850 plus 5300 plus 8550 plus 4300 plus 5350, I will get, and I'm using my calculator for this, 29200. And you don't want to try to do this in one step in the calculator, because a lot of students won't use parentheses, and you'll end up just doing, you'll find all the numbers added up, and then you'll add the 5350 divided by 6, and they'll give you a kind of a weird number. Note that the average always has to be somewhere between the lowest and the highest number, so that's a quick check that you can do. And then dividing this number here by 6 gives us 4866.66, or I'm just going to say 4867. I'm just going to round it to the nearest integer. So 4867. And then the last one is the median. And the key for the median is that we have to first organize the numbers from smallest to largest. And what I like to do first is count how many numbers there. We already know there's 6. So when I go through, I say, okay, at the end I need to have 6 numbers. So I'm going to cross these out when I do it, so that way I know at the end. So I'm going to have 2850, 2850 again, and then my next one is 4300, and then 5300, 5350, and 8550. So those are my 6 numbers. So the key then to find the median is we cross out the largest one and cross out the smallest one at the same time. So we've got to go back and forth. So 2850 cancels out with 8550. 2850 cancels out with 5350. Now the problem is when you have 2 numbers here, when you start out with an even amount of numbers, the median is found by averaging the middle 2 numbers. So I need to take those 2 numbers and find the average of them. So I'm going to do 4300 plus 5300 and divide that by 2. So 4300 plus 5300 is 9600, and then dividing that by 2 will give us 4800 for the median. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to let me know.